Hello, today we're going to be making a box, a different box. The things you need are ruler, scissors, your scoring tool, glue. You need, it's optional, this paper is optional. So you need 2 pieces of papers. This one measures 12 inches by 12 inches, while this one measures 10 and 5/8 by 10 and 5/8. These measurements are in inches. I've gone ahead to score my paper. We all know how to score now, so I'll just be giving you measurements for where to score. So we'll start with the big piece of paper. I'll keep these ones aside. So to score your paper, you start with 1/2 inch first. You score it, sorry, let me just do this. You score 1/2 inch, you score it down, then you score 2 3/4 of an inch here. If you pick your ruler, you see here, that's where you want to be scoring. So I'll just adjust it slightly. So 2 3/4 of an inch, 2 3/4 of an inch. So when you do that, you want to do that to all 4 sides. Remember, we did it in our explosion box. You do this, you do it on this side, you do it on this side, and you do it on this side. So you have this. So when you have this is going to be the base of our box. When you have that, you want to get rid of this paper. 1 2 3. Don't cut this part. You want to cut this triangle here and here. You flip it again, same thing, 1 2 3. Remember, you leave this space, 1 2 3. So when I put X, it means you're going to cut it. Look at it, 1 2 3. Do not touch here, just this triangle and this triangle. You do the same thing to all 4 sides. This time around, we're going to be gluing our side panels. But first, before you get rid of this, you want to do this. You go down, you cut it all the way to this place here. Can you see? Then you cut, release this tab here. Remember, you're going to cut this part out. You don't need this piece. We don't need this piece as well. Be careful not to cut your main panel. Do the same thing on the other side. Do this. Remember, you're cutting to this point. You release the tab, this long panel. You cut this, and you cut this side. Cut at an angle. See? So you want to flip your paper. This that you did, do it to the opposite side. So you turn your paper, and you do the same thing. Do this. Release this panel. Then get rid of these corner pieces. let me continue this way. So if I go, oh yeah, sorry, be careful. Yes, that's why it's important to mark, because sometimes I also make mistakes. I forget and I cut out what's the part I need. So you get rid of your pieces of papers. Then you can go ahead and fold. Just fold all your score lines. Fold them up so that when you want to glue them, it will be easy. Fold your score lines. So this is how your paper should look like when you're done.